What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna continue the install on my supercharger for my Jaguar XF. As you can see, it's all nice and ready to go in. All right, guys, so I got the 8 bolts to hold down the intake manifold. Also got some thread locker. Alright, guys, so we got all the 8 bolts back in the supercharger. Now everything is just hooking up the other vacuum lines and little things that I gotta do. And after that, I'm gonna do the supercharger lid, and yeah, we should be ready to go. So next, I'm gonna be putting on the pulley. Let's see if I've got the bolts right here. Put it on the pulley. Got all those screws right here. Okay. So yeah, we'll see how it does with the new pulley. With the grip tape pulley. There it is. Man, that thing looks nice. It's now time to install the supercharger lid. I got the new gasket right here. But first before I put the supercharger lid, I want to go through I want to take a look at the intake manifold or the valves. Make sure there's nothing in there. Alright guys, so I decided to paint my supercharger lid black. This is the color that I went with, matte black. So yeah, I don't know, I just think it's gonna look better. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up real nice and start painting. Alright guys, so here it is. It's been like 40 minutes. It's nice and dry. So that's how it's gonna look like. Can't wait to see it in the car. This is the front. It's gonna look really nice. Alright guys, so it's not all the way in yet. Still gotta see where it's